Hi, today we're going to look at this, my multimeter here, which is devoted to fault. It's had 4 years of very light use, and the selector switch here. The problem is sometimes it jams and it feels very loose, and it'll stick between the two selections here. It won't read anything, or sometimes it'll sit slightly off. You can actually rotate it, you can feel what it should be, but sometimes it doesn't seem to, the contacts inside don't seem to make contact with the actual switches, so it doesn't always read anything, and it's working there. But see there, it's on ohms there, it's working now. Sometimes it will sit like there, it won't measure anything. It's very loose and flaky. You've got to move this backwards and forwards for it will actually work. So you just got to confirm it does actually work first. And similarly, when it's on volts, I had an issue with the last video where I was trying to measure a voltage and it wasn't measuring anything. It was actually the meter where the lead there wasn't, the selector, sorry, wasn't pointing directly, and it wouldn't show anything. So I'm going to try and take this thing apart and see what's wrong with the selector switch, because it just seems to be as if it's worn out, as if it's had many years of use, but it hasn't. So I say it's only 4 years old. It's a very light use, used by a hobbyist. So yeah, I think we'll take this to bits and have a look. Now, first of all, let's get the rubber cover off. I don't know how to press with this meter anyway, it takes forever to take a reading, so I'll take that off. But it looks to me like, obviously that's a battery compartment. I've never even changed the batteries in this thing. I mean, I've got a screwdriver, just a normal Phillips. It's been used so little I can't even remember how you change the battery. I'll try taking that off. Okay, there you go. Still the original batteries that came with it as well. So I'll take them out. Let's move this camera up a bit. Let's get a better view. 11 amp fuse, a bit odd. Well. I've been looking at the EV blog meters as well, but they're a bit, used to be able to get on Amazon, but you can't anymore. They're by Bryman, well, they're a fairly cheap brand. They get very high ratings, so I might buy one of them. Does this thing come apart? Must it clips? Where's my hammer? Yeah, I'll just get my spudger out for that. Ow, I'm going to try my finger in the case. One moment. Right. I ain't having it. Where's my hammer? Kind of wonder what happened to photonic induction anyway. I started making videos again, but then it just stopped. I got a new computer, so that's why you couldn't do it anymore. But I haven't made a video for ages. These videos were quite entertaining. Right, well, I'm going to come back when I've got this thing apart. There we go. Just needed a bit of persuasion. Well, it's going to be fun. It's photonic induction. His videos were quite funny. You start doing some sensible ones towards the end, but I don't know why stop making them. Probably it's come back to YouTube, just ain't worth the effort trying to make money on it. Then they push that clip out and that comes off. Maybe. Yeah, just shitty little plastic clips. You gotta push in. Sure, it's not that broken, is it? I should pull off. Did that come off like that? I think you gotta push these clips out here. Where's my pliers? Right, can't find my needle those pliers, so these will have to do. So that don't want to come off. I don't want to risk breaking these components here. That is obviously holding it on, isn't it? I'll have to find my pliers. That ain't working either. Where's my screwdriver? It takes for a bit of... I'm sure they'd have a screw or something to get that on. You must be pinch it with your fingers. I don't want to damage the damp. Right, going off in that. Right, I think I'm going to have to come back when I got this out. I don't think that's supposed to come off, you know. I think it just undo these. Yeah, it must be. I think it may be time for a new meter. Right, you've got to remove that selector switch on your shower. Yeah, it's not coming out. Oh, that has to come out. Has to do. Right, okay. Well, I can't get that out, and that just snapped off. So I think it's fucked. That does not want to come out. Nobody's done a teardown video of one of these before, so I suspect that selector switch is broken. You can feel there's something not right underneath there. But I think that's fucked now. Just can't get that. I don't know. It is moving away. It still will not come off. Must be something I'm doing wrong. must just, yeah, it's definitely that. It's holding it in place. If you move that, I don't know, it's come undone now. That should just lift out. Theory. Plastic things there, it's like it slides down. Yeah, PCB is held in place by them plastic things there, so the PCB slides upwards. Oh, that's strange. This assembly looks, is that separate? Nah. Yeah, the PCB lifts up at this end and pulls out. I think I might have got away with not breaking that. So, get the PCB out there at the top. Or is it the bottom that needs to come out? It's definitely there, them lugs there that's holding the board in place, but it needs to slide down. No, I can't figure out how that comes apart. Well, I can't see if this comes apart. Try forcing the board apart here. I managed to get it out partially, but it's held in by these two clips here. To get that out, the board has to slide down, so it don't pull out far enough to be able to slide it down. Well, the EV blog did a video taking one of these apart with a different model that had screws on the back, screws holding the board in. This is just stupid plastic clips. He fast forwards through it as well, so you can't see him actually take it apart, see what he did. I think I'm going to have to call this one a day. Well, yeah, I think it's buying a new one. Yeah, well, okay, that's the Keysight U1233A. Fail. Well, thanks for watching, I guess.